Types of eggs. In the kitchen, the word has come to mean chicken egg. However, other forms of birds, reptiles and fish lay eggs. However, when you order a dish, unless specified in the menu as quail egg or duck egg, it will be mostly a chicken egg. Parts of an egg. The egg consists of many parts covered by an eggshell, which acts as a protective casing. The shell is very thin but hard. The other part of the egg are air cell. The larger end of the egg contains a membrane with air. Fresh eggs have very small air cell, and as it ages the cell becomes larger. This is very big indication of the freshness of the egg. Chalaza. This is a thin band of tissue that suspends the yolk in the white. Some recipes of egg white will call this to be strained as it is hard membrane. Egg white. Egg white is a clear liquid contained within an egg. Upon cooking, it turns white. The primary purpose of egg white is to protect the yolk. Egg white consists of primarily of approximate 90% of water with dissolved protein. Egg white contains almost no fat and the carbohydrate content is less than 1%. Egg white has many uses in food and many other applications. Egg yolk. The yolk in a newly laid egg is round and firm. As the egg ages, it absorbs water from the albumin, which increases its size and causes it to stretch and weaken the membrane. The resulting effect is flattened and enlarged yolk shape. Yolk color depends on the diet of the hen. If the diet contains yellow or orange plant pigment, then they are deposited in the egg yolk, coloring it. As diet without such colors food may result in almost colorless yolk. How to purchase egg and check for quality. The size of the egg does not affect the quality, but it does affect the price. When buying an egg, you must ensure that the eggshell is clean, well sharpened and slightly round. To test the freshness, you can drop a few eggs in water. If the egg is old, it will float due to the larger air cavity. A fresh egg will sink in the water. The yolk should be firm and round and of a good even color. If you have dishes like fried egg, you will need to ensure the quality of the egg is good, or else the yolk will break while cooking. Nutritional value of the egg. Eggs are useful as a main dish as they provide essential proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins. The fat in the egg yolk is high in saturated fat and is used by the body for growth and repair. A 50-gram egg will roughly provide 70 calories of food energy and 6 grams of protein. The diet of the chicken can also affect the nutrition value of the egg. Safety while using eggs. Eggs can cause food allergy and hence it is essential to label dishes containing egg properly in the menu and while serving on the buffet. How to store eggs? Eggs should be stored away from other contaminants like raw meat and strong smelling food as they can absorb smell. Store egg in refrigerator or if not available in a cool place. While using eggs, follow the principle of FIFO or first in, first out. Cracked eggs should not be used. Once you have prepared the egg, ensure that it is consumed as soon as possible, and if not being eaten immediately, refrigerate it immediately. Eggs are versatile dishes and you can make a variety of dishes with it. For more lessons that may interest you, visit www.clarifiedbetter.com to keep learning.